Ramadan day 3. Today I'm going back to the Al Hadi Center where the orphanage is. They just really touched my heart, so I wanted to do something nice. I'm going to sponsor their Iftar. So we've invited people around the community. If they haven't got anything to eat, they're going to come to the center and break fast with us. So we've just arrived at our friend's kitchen. They've kindly allowed us to use it to prepare the food. Say hi to the team. I love Indian food. It smells so good. Indian spices are just so flavorful. Look at all these ingredients, all these flavors, colors, smells, textures. When I'm cooking, it always bewilders me how any atheist could think this world is a coincidence. All these ingredients we're using today, it's impossible they came together to make this curry. Someone had to choose, combine, and cook them. The same goes for our universe. Everything is just too perfect for this to all be a coincidence. Look at that, look at that. As you guys know, I love cooking, and this was just a fantastic opportunity. It's such a beautiful experience to be able to cook food for the fasting and the orphans. Plus, the Prophet said that if you feed a fasting person, you receive the same rewards. Inshallah, I can multiply my rewards today. Now that the food is ready, let's go. I have such a soft spot in my heart for orphans. Did you know that the Quran mentions helping orphans over 20 times? The Prophet also said that the one who helps an orphan will be this close to him in paradise, and he shows his 2 fingers together to show the closeness. Wow. Look, this lovely lady was cutting up fruit for us to break our fast with. Everything looks amazing. The brothers and sisters running this place are doing an amazing job. May Allah bless them. This sweet sister actually saw me at the mosque yesterday, but she was too shy to come up to me. So we took some photos together, and then I went to check out the children's classrooms. Some were still in session. How many languages can you speak?
3.
3. Which ones?
Indonesian, Chinese, English.
What about Arabic? Can you read the Quran? Yeah? Can you read a little bit of Quran for me now? Good boy. Which one's your favorite surah? Some of the children were fasting, which was incredible to see. This little boy was struggling hardcore. Poor thing. This sister just gifted me this hijab. They're so sweet here. And then another one gave me this hijab. Does it suit me? While we waited for the adhān to go off, we had like a mini meet and greet. It was so heartwarming to see how excited they were. We took plenty of pictures, I shared some stories, and the time just flew by so quickly. They do live adhān here every day for every prayer. It's so heartwarming. Now we're breaking our fast and getting ready to pray. The food was delicious and the team here is just incredible. I'm planning to help them further by sponsoring more children so that they can stay here and study. By the way, guys, this is not a collaboration. I'm not trying to raise funds. I'm not trying to raise money. Please don't get the wrong idea. I'm just doing this to show you my day and motivate each other. Then the time came and we had to say our final goodbyes. It felt like leaving family. Thank you so much for making me feel so welcome.